Bro said the emergency exit is all around you, so feel free to jump through the windows.
Is there a ladder to get back on?
So at the bottom of the back of the boat, there's a ladder you can climb in and out.
Okay. It may look like a beached whale trying to get back on.
I bet. You ready?
You're in front of the Trinidad flag, show some respect.
Yes.
How was that? Perfect in the morning.
Does it make you feel warm in this freezing weather?
Yeah, a little bit. Honestly, it didn't burn as bad as yesterday.
That's good, that's good.
I feel like I'm getting too used to it.
I would take one to a rum punch.
Take what?
One shot.
One shot?
Yeah.
One shot.
For the vaccine?
Yeah, for the vaccine.
Okay, I get it. Get in between them, Zach. Alright guys, so 3, 2, 1. Cheers, cheers.
There you go.
Welcome to the tropics.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Jamaican.
Yeah, man.
I like getting yelled at.
We'll deport your ass to Jamaica if you want.
Makes me feel at home.
This is the clear water. They're showing you some of the reef now.
Yeah, see the reef.
Alright, hold this, babe. I'm gonna
They'll drive a little bit again, and this is where you'll also snorkel.
Okay. Oh my god!
So Leah, are you enjoying the Nylon pool?
Yes, I'm having so much fun!
Because of nice. So Vanessa, are you enjoying the Nylon pool?
Absolutely, it's so beautiful.
Good to be back to Trinidad and
Yes,
Tobago.
the best time, yes.
Nice. So guys, this is the first time you've been to Nylon pool. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
First time in the island pool for me.
Nylon.
Tobago. You enjoying Tobago so far?
I am enjoying Tobago.
Yes, very awesome.
Nice.
Beautiful. The
Island
most
Girl
beautiful.
Tour is amazing.
Nice.
Go Island Tour. No men's land.
That's right, only woman's land. No men allowed.
Oh!
Vape squad
And P Squad.
and PE.
For being.
Yeah. Nice.
It hurts.
It hurt?
Yeah,
Where you feeling the most pain?
in my eyes.
Oh my god. But I asked for iguana, not love. Don't mind I had no love at home from my wife or anybody, yeah, but I go take some of that anyway.
Oh god.
We have fish, chicken. Looking good, looking good, looking good. What's your name, moms?
Lovey is the light and tall man.
Nice. Tall man? Which one is the tall man? Him?
Yeah.
Short, no man.
Is it short and out here?
So that's who you're looking for when you come in, no man, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Watch, this is tall. Watch. Short man.
You see?
Tall man and stupid man.
Tall man and dotish man.
An ugly man and everything in one. Granny, what are you eating there?
Not really much guy.
Chicken,
You sure? That's manaku.
noodles, and something else. Is it macaroni
Pie,
pie?
rice.
This bag is so huge.
That's good. That's what you want. Plenty food.
No, I don't eat. I'll eat half of this.
You pay your money, you get your money's worth. Yes, boss. What are you eating there?
Some macaroni pie, barbecue chicken, callaloo, rice, noodles, and a potato.
We'll take a big bite, and then we get a bread. The noodles tasting good, we know that.
Very good.
Let me get in there. Looking
Potato.
good. You think that's enough food to give us energy for yesterday?
Oh god, yeah. Callaloo and rice.
Nice. You can use your hands to eat the chicken, you know. It's a shame.
Not at all. I just have no hands.
You have no hands?
Free hands.
Free hands. What is it?
Very good.
Good, I like that.
No, I'm gonna fall right off.
No, it's okay. We're not doing that part again.
Yeah, we're zip sagging. We're not gonna go.